January is a month. February is also a month. There are 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months. January is the first month. February is the second month. March is the third month. April is the fourth month. May is the fifth month. June is the sixth month. July is the seventh month. August is the eighth month. September is the ninth month. October is the 10th month. November is the 11th month. December is the 12th month. There are 12 months in a year. January is the first month of the year. December is the last month of the year. A year has 12 months. A month has 4 weeks. A week has 7 days. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. A year has 12 months. How many weeks are in a month? There are 4 weeks in a month. A month has 4 weeks. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. A week has 7 days. 1 year, 12 months, 4 weeks, 7 days. What is the first month of the year? The first month of the year is January. What is the last month of the year? December is the last month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.